Diagnosing a Rheem water heater blinking light requires counting the sequence of flashes on the gas valve status LED to pinpoint the exact component failure. This flashing indicator is your built-in diagnostic tool for resolving heating issues without replacing unnecessary parts. Normal operation is indicated by a single flash every 3 seconds. A continuous, steady flash rate means the system is functioning perfectly and the water is being heated to your set temperature. Any deviation from this single flash, such as rapid blinking or a specific pattern of flashes followed by a pause, indicates an error code that requires immediate attention. 7 flashes typically indicate a control valve failure, meaning the internal circuitry of the unit is compromised. This error generally requires a complete replacement of the gas control valve assembly. 6 flashes point to a hard lockout condition, often caused by the water temperature exceeding the maximum safety limit or repeated failed ignition attempts. 8 flashes mean the flammable vapor sensor has tripped or is disconnected entirely. This safety mechanism locks out the heater if it detects combustible vapors near the unit. Clearing the area of any chemicals, verifying the sensor wiring, and resetting or replacing the sensor will clear this safety code. A pattern of 6 flashes followed by 1 flash is a common thermopile voltage error. The system is not generating enough millivolts to keep the main gas valve open. Cleaning the pilot tube assembly, checking for blockages, and ensuring a strong pilot flame usually restores the required voltage, getting the heater back to normal operation.